Hi everyone, I just wanted to give you a sense of how to use your TESOL benefits to the best of your abilities. So this is TESOL International Association's webpage. You can get there by going to www.tesol.org. Once you're there, you can explore all the wonderful things about TESOL, member benefits, professional development, and all the things that you get to do as a member, our publications, our global community and communities of practice, our resource center, and our advocacy. But the most important thing that you can do is connect with your professional development community of practice. So once you're there, you've joined TESOL, log in over here on the right-hand column. Now, I don't know if mine's going to come up right away. I think it will. Yes, it says, "Hi, Kate," because my computer remembers me. But yours, you might need to put in your information. Now, what I will do is I will go into my communities of practice. Or excuse me, I'll go into my TESOL where the communities of practice are. Sorry. So my TESOL is a forum where all the communities within TESOL get to talk to each other, and you can talk to your colleagues and things. So this is my profile. I can look at my profile by going up to my little picture, and it says my profile. The first thing you're going to want to do is set yours up. Okay, here's my profile. It says I'm a board member, yay! But it also tells a bit about where I am in terms of my location, my bio. I put that in myself. What I'm interested in, what communities of practice I'm a member of, and a little bit about my education and my experience. I don't put a ton of information in, to be really honest. You can always edit your stuff later. So for example, I could edit my name, hopefully, and put Master Serio in. Okay, but you can also, once you've got your profile set up, explore the events in the communities, and that's really what I want you to see. You can put in your interests in search for committees or by location, but my recommendation is you click on See All, and it'll have all of the communities that we have as professional interest sections and what we call PLNs, professional learning networks. So an interest section is an IS, and those are people who are interested in that topic. Okay, so for example, if you're interested in higher ed, you would probably want to be a member of that interest section. If you're interested in the professional learning network, career path development, maybe you'll join there. I am part of the intercultural communication one. You can see I'm a member of all these. Interest section leaders, LGBT, professional learning network, pre-K to 12 interest section, and you'll notice down here at the bottom, load more. Many of you are going to want to be in this pre-K to 12 interest section. Refugee concerns. This will help you with all kinds of refugee sorts of things, second language writing, speech, pronunciation, listening. But my most active one is teacher educator interest section, because that's what I do. I'm a teacher educator. It also has my events here for TESOL, the convention that we just had in Tampa, Florida. And I could go in there and I could look up people's presentation handouts, and I can add mine. I really need to do that. So I just wanted to give you a sense of what is here, what you can find here, how you can connect with other people. When you go into, here's what's new, for example, people are talking about different things going on. Remarks from the Office of English Language Acquisition Director Montserrat Garibay, who works for the federal government. That would be very interesting to read. And communities, the events that we've got going on online or in person. So we have international convention coming on April 11th and 12th. It's a virtual conference. TESOL Advocacy Action Day on May 1st and TESOL Advocacy Action Day 23rd of July in Washington, D.C. Members are here. So if I wanted to connect with somebody, here are the people I've already connected with. But let me say I'm looking for my friend Gabriel Diaz. I wonder if he's out there. Maggioli. Okay, let me just look, because it might not be spelled that way. Okay, he's not there, but I could also look for him in other ways. I'm just looking for somebody in particular. So I could find a person that I'm looking for in the organization, and I can make sure we're connected. They're active this week. Go to profile, send a message. So I could go to her profile and make sure we're connected, right? She's in teacher educator. She and I both work together in that IS, that intersection. Anyway, that's what it is. I thought you'd like this. You can always send your questions and discussion points to the different groups. There's a newcomer discussion and resources group. You might want to join that one. And I'm going to show you when you go into these, not that group. I want my communities. Thank you. See all. I want to go into pre-K to 12. If you have something you want to bring up, you'll notice that these are your leaders. You can go to events, members, discussions, and library. So if you went to discussions, you might, oh look, there's a call for proposals. There's how languages influences our perception of color. So you could look at this study, this new study by MIT. There's a slide deck about budget cuts to English, multilingual learners of English and English language teaching programs. So there's a discussion on that. Reading comprehension with ELs. So this is something that I'm teaching on this term, and it looks like there's some handouts. 4 quick steps to differentiate reading comprehension. I think I'm going to go in there and take a look. I want to follow this discussion, just for the fun of it, and I'm going to look to see what they say. Oh, there's a link for me. I'm going to follow the link, and I have this new resource. 4 quick steps to differentiating instruction for multilingual learners of English. So this is a place where you can ask questions by submitting a new discussion topic, or answer questions, or just engage and read. You don't have to do anything really. You just get on there and have fun. So I hope this helps you see all of the opportunities within TESOL online, so you don't have to attend the conference to be involved. Okay? Hope this helps. Bye.